I bought the 3rd generation Apple AirPods Pro earphones when they launched a few weeks ago, and these are actually the first AirPods I have ever purchased. The earphones have fit right into my daily workflow. I'm not only using them when editing videos on my Mac Studio at home, I've also been using them every day at work whilst I'm coding. So I was delighted when Supcase sent me their protective UB Pro Series rugged case for AirPods Pro 3. But as with all products that are sent to me, Supcase have no influence on what I think or what I say in this review. UB Pro stands for Unicorn Beetle Pro. It's available on the Supcase website for $39.99 and can be purchased from many Amazon stores around the world, such as Amazon UK, where it retails at £29.99. The case is available in black, desert and Gul'dan green. And this hard shell case was created using solid TPU and polycarbonate plastic to keep your expensive AirPods as good as new. When your AirPods and original charging case are inside this wraparound rugged case, your AirPods Pro 3 earphones can survive a massive 20 feet drop, and its IP68 waterproof rating means that they can survive being dunked in water up to 10 feet deep. It also features an integrated carabiner clip to help attach it to belts and bags, a pull-out clip to hold your phone, speaker cutouts and a security lock to prevent it from opening by accident. A cutout at the bottom of the case allows you to continue charging your AirPods Pro 3 earphones using a Type-C charging cable, or if you prefer, you can charge them using MagSafe charging or wireless charging. The main downside of using this case is the additional weight and bulk. The original AirPods and charging case weigh 55 grams, which is 2 ounces. Whilst the rugged case weighs 67 grams or 2.4 ounces on its own. So this case bumps the combined weight of your AirPods setup to 122 grams or around 4.3 or 4.4 ounces. So at this stage, I'd like to give you a closer look at the UB Pro rugged case, the Unicorn Beetle Pro rugged case for AirPods Pro 3 earphones. Like I was saying there, if you buy this, your AirPod setup is going to be bigger, bulkier, and heavier. Now, for a lot of people, that is going to be a deal breaker right away. You're just not going to buy something like that. And I get that, if you want a small, minimal type of setup, then the original AirPods charging case is the way to go. But this larger shell here, I'm happy with it. And I'm happy with it because I don't think it makes it that much bulkier, that much heavier. It's still acceptable to me, but your mileage may differ. I think at home, at my desk, etc., this is sufficient. But when I'm going out and about, I like the fact that I can protect them. Especially when I go to work and I use these at work as well, because I've been throwing these into my laptop bag, and my laptop bag has a laptop, it has mobile phone stands, it's got charging cables. There's just so many things in there which could scratch that. So I like the fact that I can stick it in this case. And as you can see there, that is how easy it is to open it. You just push that button like that. Now, one thing I'm going to start off with is, I'm not going to say it's a negative, but maybe a negative for me, is that to me this feels a little bit backwards, because to me I would hold it like this, have the button at the left and have the logo at the front. So it would be like this, and then you open it like that. But that's not where you should be putting them, because you can see there the charging light. The charging light has to go there so that the charging light is there, like that. So that's the way they should go. And it still kind of baffles me, maybe because I'm opening it this way and I'm holding it like this, but it seems a bit backwards for me because the logo is there. Now, the mechanism there shoots up. Excellent, really, really good. But if you want to prevent that from happening, you've got this security lock there. Just push it all the way across, and now that won't work. It's a little thing, but I like it. I like the fact that's there. Also like the fact you've got a carabiner clip there, and if you don't like this one, if you think it's a bit too plasticky, you could put your own on there, or you can see there's a lot of space there. You could probably put on like a lanyard connection and all that as well. So you've got a few options there. There's speaker cutouts for Find Your AirPods and all that as well. And you can see the Supcase branding there too. And at the bottom, you've got the charging, but it's also a little stand. So this part here, see, it opens up, it says IP68, but that actually works as a mobile phone stand. Oh, get it on right, because it's carabiner clips in the way. There you go. So there's the mobile phone stand like that. It's kind of like that. I'm not saying that's the best mobile phone stand in the world, but it's a nice little extra. And you know, if you've got this on the plane or something, then you know you can use it to hold your mobile phone up. Now under here, this is where you connect your Type-C charging cable, and the reason this seal is here is so that it's still got the waterproof connection. That's very easy to connect in. You can see you've got the Type-C charging port there, but you can obviously charge it wirelessly as well. Now, I'll get this cable around. Right, so I don't have a proper AirPods charging unit there, but you can see that if you do get a Qi wireless, like regular wireless charging connection there, it will start charging, and it's very quick to connect there. Absolutely no issues. And it's the same with MagSafe charging. Now, MagSafe charging, there's magnets there, so it's in the logo, and just like that. Strong magnet connection. That's it charging. So yeah, that's it. That's all there is to it, really. There's not a lot to say about it, apart from me still opening it backwards. I just can't get over the fact that that's how it works. But yeah, that's it there. Really well made. This is absolutely solid. And I think it's a good option if you're looking to protect your new AirPods. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this Supcase UB Pro rugged case for AirPods Pro 3 earphones. If you'd like to learn more, please check out the official Supcase website and the Amazon sales link, which I'll link down below. If you've got any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, take care.